A very good evening to everyone. This is a webinar on DevOps and how we can streamline the software development process with DevOps. जानबूझ के इस webinar का title has been this long and this complex because a complex problem is simplified using this philosophy that is known as DevOps. So the title itself reflects the very agenda that we are trying to cover, that a complex process of enterprise software development can be improved and optimized by using this thing that is known as DevOps. I am Dushyant Pathak and I have 3 years of industry experience and I've been building and breaking stuff for the past 5 years. If you want to reach out to me after the session with any queries or concerns you have, I'm available on all socials. I prefer LinkedIn as Dushyant Pathak and my website is tkpathak.me. We'll first quickly understand what the DevOps philosophy says. तो जब हम philosophy बोलते हैं, do we actually mean that it is something to do with an abstract concept, or is it just a set of principles? Then we'll understand what the DevOps life cycle looks like. Ki how exactly is software delivered? Then we'll look at something that is known as the DevOps toolkit. So that means a lot of tools are used to implement DevOps. So what are those and how they integrate into this whole process? After that, we'll be venturing into something that is CI/CD. CI/CD stands for continuous integration, continuous deployment. So that is something that we'll be focusing on next. After that, I'll be showing you a quick hands-on to implement a DevOps pipeline using a tool that is known as Netlify. After that, we'll be going through what are the quick concepts on monitoring and logging. Finally, we'll be talking about how you can go ahead from here, to understand and explore more on this journey of DevOps and how every software engineer should at least have a basic idea of, what DevOps is and all that it entails. And finally, we'll conclude with the summary and your feedback for this session.